Thank you for joining me in these tutorials. In this tutorial, our topic is indices or exponents, right? Given that n is a positive integer, then x raised to the power n means that x will multiply itself n times to produce another number. For example, we can have x times x times x times x times x till n times, all right? So it shows that our positive integer n, okay, it is not known, all right? So this shows that we are to multiply x, okay, into n times for us to be able to get our value. But we know that this multiplication must be what? Infinite, because n is not known. All right, now we go to the laws of what? Indices. All right, the first law says x raised to the power 0. It shows that anything raised to the power 0 is what? 1. By indices, anything raised to the power 0 is what? 1, provided x, okay, is not equal to what? 0. Provided x is not what? Equal to 0. It shows that x must be what? Different from 0. Otherwise, okay, the function or the whole thing becomes what? Undefined. All right. Secondly, we have x raised to the power a times x raised to the power b. Okay. What you do is, since they have the same base, okay, just take x, all right, raise it to the power of what? Some of their indices. Okay. You simply what? Sum their what? Indices, and that's all. Okay. The third one, x raised to the power a all over x raised to the power b. Okay, it's simple. Just take one of the x's, okay, to the power of what? A minus what? B. It shows that you are subtracting their indices after taking their what? Base. All right. So it's a very simple thing. Okay. Now, for we have x raised to the power a or raised to the power what? B. Just simply have x raised to the power what? A times b. Okay, and that just it. Number 5 is x over y or raised to the power b. It shows that each of these, okay, you have to distribute, okay, b to each of these what? Numbers. Okay, so it is now x raised to the power what? B all over y raised to the power what? B. Okay. Then I go to the sixth law of indices. We have, you know, the product of xy all raised to the power what? A. It shows that each of these, you know, a must be distributed to each of what? The numbers. Okay, we have y all raised to the power what? A. All right. Now we have the seventh law, which is law of inverse. Okay. Now we have 1 over x raised to the power b. It is the same thing as x raised to the power what? Minus b, right? X raised to the power what? Minus b. Okay. Now we have the 8th law. Square root of what? X actually gives us x raised to the power 1 over 2. All right. X raised to the power what? 1 all over 2. Okay. So that is just it. We are trying to write 2 here. Okay. 1 over 2. Now we have the 9th law. Okay, we could just consider this our last law. Anyway, there are a few laws, you know, to be mentioned, like 2 of them more, but there's not just names. Okay, now we have x raised to the power minus a over b. Is simply, you have your fraction here, is simply 1 all over x raised to the power a over b. Okay, at this point you see that the negative sign has changed to what? Positive sign. So we have a all over b. Okay, so actually this is the law of what? Indices. You can see it. Okay, actually we gave the explanation of indices, how we can find an indices. We said that the power must be a positive what? Integer. Okay, yes, of course. And the base must not be what? 0. The base x, okay, must not be what? 0. Otherwise, the whole thing becomes what? Indeterminate or undefined. All right. So we have 9 laws here. Okay. So that's just it. Hope you found this helpful. Please do like, comment, and share my videos. Follow my page for more videos. Thank you for watching.